You got a raise. Not a massive one, but real money. Enough that you thought, okay, finally, I'll start saving, I'll stop stressing about my account every Sunday night. 3 months later, you're still checking your balance with one eye closed. Nothing changed. And the weird part, you're spending more than you were before. You're not buying yachts, you're not gambling, you just spend it on stuff that makes sense in the moment. A better phone plan, eating out a little more, a gym membership you actually use this time. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is the single biggest reason people stay broke their whole lives despite earning more and more money. We're going to use Spotify throughout this, not because it's evil, because it's the perfect example of something small, automatic, and almost invisible, exactly like the spending habits we're talking about. First, let's define broke properly. Broke doesn't mean you have no money. Lots of people with good incomes are broke. Broke means your expenses consistently eat your income. You have little to no buffer. An unexpected cost, a car repair, a medical bill, is a crisis, not an inconvenience. You can be earning solid money and be broke. It's not about the number coming in. It's about the gap between what comes in and what goes out. That gap is called your savings rate, and for most people, as income goes up, the savings rate stays flat because spending scales with income almost automatically. Here's what lifestyle inflation actually is. You earn more, your standard of living adjusts upward to match. The new income level starts to feel normal almost immediately. Then you need another raise just to feel like you've made progress. It's a treadmill. You run faster, and you stay in the same spot. This isn't weakness. This is how human brains are built. There's a concept called hedonic adaptation. It means humans are remarkably good at getting used to things. Good things stop feeling good quickly. The new apartment feels amazing for 2 weeks. Then it's just where you live. Research shows big improvements in material circumstances produce a temporary happiness boost and then a return to your previous baseline. So you upgrade your life, feel good briefly, adjust to the new normal, then want more. It's the same reason the Spotify Premium upgrade felt amazing for a week, and now you don't even notice it. It's just there. Let's walk through the most common version. You get a new job, better salary. You think, my old apartment was fine, but now I can afford something nicer. So you move. The rent goes up. Immediately, your fixed costs are higher. Every month, no matter what. And here's the thing about rent. It doesn't go back down. You don't de-upgrade apartments. You just stay at the new level until you can afford to go up again. This is the most expensive form of lifestyle inflation because it's locked in. And then the subscriptions. Spotify, Netflix, a gym, cloud storage. Each one is like $5 to $15. Together, they're a couple $100 a month just quietly leaving your account. You didn't decide to spend this much. It accumulated. Each individual decision was fine. The total is a problem. Here is the most important distinction in personal finance. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. These are completely different numbers, and most people optimize for income while ignoring wealth. A person earning a high salary but spending nearly all of it has a high income and nearly zero wealth. They look successful. They have essentially no financial security. A person earning a moderate income but consistently keeping a meaningful chunk of it is building wealth. They have real options. Here's the brutal version. Your income is what your employer pays you. Your wealth is what you pay yourself. Most people pay everyone else first and themselves last. That needs to flip. Here's the hard truth about saving money through willpower. It doesn't work, not long term. Willpower is a limited resource. The approach that actually works is automation. Remove the decision entirely. Set things up so savings leave your account the moment your paycheck arrives, before you see it, before you can spend it. This is called paying yourself first. If you never see the money, you don't spend the money. Your lifestyle automatically calibrates to what's left. You get a raise. What should happen? Ideally, you increase your automated savings by a meaningful fraction of the raise. Not all of it, you can let yourself enjoy some of it, but a real chunk goes straight to savings immediately, before your lifestyle has a chance to inflate. What actually happens, the raise hits your account. Within a few months, spending adjusts upward to absorb it. The raise is gone in terms of financial progress. This is the raise trap. There's one more driver: other people. Humans are comparison machines. Your friends get nicer cars, your coworkers move to better apartments, social media gives you a constant highlight reel. You're comparing your full reality to their curated spending moments. The comparison is rigged. The reason you're broke isn't usually laziness, it's that the default settings of modern life are designed to absorb every dollar you make. Subscriptions, rent creep, comparison pressure, these are all systems running in the background against you. You don't fight systems with motivation, you fight systems with different systems. Automate savings, lock in a savings rate, audit your fixed costs once a year, ask better questions before spending, move fast when you get a raise. That's it. No hustle culture required. If this video made you open your banking app with a slightly sick feeling, good. That means it worked. Like the video, subscribe, and drop in the comments what your most useless subscription is, the one you're definitely canceling after watching this. Definitely canceling. Starting next month.